This is Kit Kat. Come here, babe. Yes, show everybody how pretty you are. He is one big black cat. Kit was born in February of last year, so he's less than 2 years old, and he's looking for a new home. He came to us with a couple of other little kittens, his brothers and sisters, and he was bottle raised for a while, and he's very sweet. He was adopted when he was about 6-8 months old, but the family had to bring him back as they moved into a apartment that didn't allow cats, didn't allow big pets actually. They thought gerbils and guinea pigs and fish were fine, but nothing like a cat or a dog. So they had to bring Kit Kat back. He could probably lose a pound or two, but he's just a big boy. I mean, he stands tall. He's really long. His family that he came from, he was an only pet in the home. But there was a little girl, and he got along just fine with her. So he's very kid-friendly. I don't know about other pet-friendly at this point. It's been a while since he's been around nose to nose with other dogs and cats, so there's no telling what he'd be like. He's one of our anal retentive cats. He's anal retentive about his litter box, and not that it be kept clean, but that he's like a little kid where the food can't touch. Well, he defecates in one corner and he pees in the other, and he does not mix them up. So don't look for him to be covering his poop. I don't know why he doesn't do that. Maybe it's because he was bottle fed and he's just used to other people cleaning up after him. But he sure is a sweet boy, and he is a big black cat. Can you turn a little bit? Show everybody how big you are. Look at the size of this boy. He's a meaty boy, and he's looking for a home. And if you're interested in him, please give us a call. There we go. Good boy. Good video. You did good.